What's up with it, YouTube? Hope everyone's doing well, having a good day. Right here in Chandler, Arizona, about to go pick up these two vehicles. One should be a lifted truck, the other one's a Tahoe. Picking them right here from Chandler, going to Troutdale, Oregon. Just got done unloading my load that I brought up from Seattle, Washington. So I'm gonna be heading back up to the Northwest. And yeah, it was a pretty crazy drive down this way. You know, all up through Oregon, up there in Deadman's Pass. You know, hit a lot of snow, a lot of ice. Also, it was like a blizzard going on up there in Idaho, like by Twin Falls, all the way down to like Wells, Nevada. The wind was pretty rough. And then once I got through that, right about through like Ely, Nevada, it was good weather from there. You know, sunshine, no snow on the ground, nothing like that, just dry. So then, you know, the further south I kept going into the Southwest, it was just sunny, you know, and it felt good because being in the Northwest, man, we barely get any sunshine up there this time of year, man. All throughout the year, shoot, we barely get any sun up that way. It's probably like 2 months out the year, so yeah, it's pretty depressing up that way. But yeah, excuse me, guys. Take a drink of my coffee. Cheers, black coffee. But yeah, like I was saying, I'm gonna go pick up this load and then start heading back up to the Northwest. I'll update you guys once I start getting loaded. So until then, see you next time. What's up, everyone? So just quick update. Picked up both the vehicles now. Got a 2019 Chevy Tahoe that I'm currently driving right now back to the truck, and then I picked up a Ram 2500 lifted, so I got that over here parked already. Went and get it. It's kind of a process getting these vehicles. You know, it's in one of these yards where you kind of got to find the vehicle yourself, and the keys are already in the car, so it's not alarm to find it, you know. But you know, you got all these car haulers and stuff. You know, there's my whip right there. So yeah, a lot of vehicles coming in and out of this place. You know, another hot shot right there, car hauler. There's the truck, the second vehicle. So yeah, man, gonna get this loaded up, pull this up to the trailer, then we'll put this one on first, and then put the lifted one on the back. Here we go. Tilt this bed up and get this bad boy on there. guys. These lasso straps on the Tahoe, and as you can see, I have a back this way, this way. That way there's tension on both ends. Got to turn around this pole. And then usually I don't do this with the trucks, but this has a lot of modified parts on it, so it's real hard to get a chain right here on the axle. So wrap it right here on the bumper hitch. Should hold up. And then strap chain on the back too. See back here, I can get a little bit on the axle. We're loaded up, secured, everything's safe. Just double checking everything, and we're gonna be on our way. What's up, everybody? Man, today's been a day. Start the morning, good morning, everybody. But shoot, and I'm driving through an ice storm right now, man. This shit's fucking crazy, man. All week bad weather, but I'm just trying to make it home safe, man, and be safe out here for everybody else. So everybody down here in Oregon, North Oregon, Central Oregon, shit, be careful. All my truck drivers, be careful too. This is crazy, man. I'm just taking it nice and slow, man, like if I was driving my local. Crazy out here, man. Gotta take it nice and slow, man. Even myself, man, I'm a little rattled up right now. But you can't be rushing through this stuff, man. This shit's dangerous right here. So, hopefully he all right. But shoot, we're just driving on a sheet of ice, man. It's not even snow, man. This is ice, man. We're on an ice skating rink. This is some Prudhoe Bay shit. Fucking Dalton Highway shit, driving on the Arctic Ocean, man. For reals. I don't like this stuff, man, but it is what it is, man. Hey, what's up, everyone? Finally made it to our destination to drop off these vehicles. Weather is crazy out here, man. It's bad. I mean, shoot. It's windy, it's snowing, it's icy, man. I just drove through all this crazy weather, man, right here in Oregon. Truck is shaking and all that stuff, man. But yeah, I'm gonna have to unload these vehicles. I wanted to kind of show you the whole process, but it's too windy out here, man. Every time I step out of the truck, man, and the snow starts hitting my face, man, it hurts. It's like ice. It keeps smacking me in the face, so I'm gonna try to get this done as quick as possible and get up out of here, man. Get up out this weather, man. Hopefully up in Washington ain't too bad, because that's my next destination, man. I'm just heading home. But yeah, everybody be safe out there. Mud out here, man. But binders are frozen, so use this de-icer. all bad out here right now. Just made it back to the yard right here in Tumwater. Made it back safe. Just gonna do my little post trip and head home. Do my reset and get back and do it again. Y'all be safe.